We're at North County Indian Motorcycle, and today we're looking at a 2012 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide. This one has the big red flame tank, highway bars, custom dynamics headlight, LED with the LED turn signals. Has the handlebar bag on the front, phone mount towards you. This is a fob motorcycle, so it is keyless. Has the matching flame stitch seat, nice saddlebags, rack on the back, and passenger sissy bar. Screaming Eagle exhaust. And we're at 33,363 miles. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check it out.